Hey, Team Vikings, Mrs. Buck here to talk about week 7. You guys have been doing a great job practicing your claim evidence and reasoning. So, we are now going to move forward with potential topics that we will continue with in the next few weeks. So, day 1, you are doing what you're supposed to be doing right now by watching the introduction video. And I've also attached the CER checklist as well, just as you've seen before, to use as a resource as you work on this week's tasks. Okay, so for day 2, well, actually for the rest of day 1, I want you to look over the 3 potential topics and start thinking about and brainstorming what you might choose, what you might say, etc. So I'm going to switch over to this topic for arguments Google Doc, and this is what you will use the rest of the week. So you have been practicing developing a claim and finding evidence by using examples, but now you're going to create them on your own. So we've given you 3 potential topic questions, and you're going to complete each of those for day 2, 3, and 4. Okay. So, for example, topic number 1 is, should students be required to wear school uniforms? So you will develop your claim based on this question. As a reminder, you are not starting your claim with yes or no. You would simply say, students should be required to wear school uniforms, period. That's it. Or students should not be required to wear school uniforms, period. Okay? Very simple, just taking a side and a stance. So should or should not. Okay? Then you will develop evidence for your claim. Now, I don't want you going out to the web and researching. This is something you should be able to back up with factual evidence that you already know, knowledge you already have, knowledge that you could already create by just thinking about the topic. Okay. And that's going to be the same process moving forward. So day 3, topic number 2, should middle school students be allowed to carry backpacks at all times? Again, should or should not, creating your claim, and then thinking about evidence that you could come up with to support that claim. Lastly, day 4, topic number 3, should students attend school year-round? So again, you would type your claim into the box, your side or your stance that you would take, and the evidence that you would develop to support that claim. Remember, when we talk about argumentative writing, it is not an opinion. So there should be no I think, I feel, I believe statements. It is purely factual. You are presenting information to support a claim. Yes, to technically persuade someone to agree with you, but you are not using those terms, that vocabulary, those I think, I feel, I believe sentence starters, because that invokes opinion and you're trying to keep your opinion out of it. It's just based off of factual information. Okay. So after you have completed all 3 of these, and you'll notice that the R for reasoning is not in this chart this week because we don't want you to, or I don't want you to worry about that just yet. Okay. So I just want you to think about solely these 3 topics and what kind of evidence might support the claim that you develop. All right. So no reasoning this week. Lastly, look at all 3 and think about which one you would like to move forward with. Which topic? Topic number 1, topic number 2, or topic number 3. Decide based off of how you feel about the topic. Could you move forward writing about this topic? Is it something that interests you? Hopefully one of the 3 interests you. If not, I'm sorry, but you have to pick one. Okay. And then please highlight the column to represent the topic that you choose or the box up here, just so it gives me an indication, okay, this student is picking topic 1 because it's highlighted in yellow. Okay. If you don't know how to do that, you can just select the text in the box, go up top here, and you would click the yellow button. And then that would indicate to me that that's the topic you are going with. Okay? All right. So as you go through these steps, as I referenced before, the CER checklist is here for you to reference so that you can develop those items for each of those topics. Complete topic 1, complete topic 2, complete topic 3, and then by Friday, May 22nd, submit the assignment in Google Classroom, making sure that you highlight the topic that you would like to move forward with, okay? If you have any questions or concerns, you guys know you can email me or you can obviously attend office hours. You're doing a great job. I appreciate all of you that are working so hard. I know this isn't easy. And don't stress too much about what the end product is going to look like in the next coming weeks for this argumentative writing. We'll figure it out together. And don't stress about it, okay? So I hope you are all doing well. I hope you are all safe and healthy, and so are your families. And I will talk to you soon. Have a great week.